If you're looking for a Get Selfie POV AI review and want to know the 7 crucial things before trying this just released software, you're in the right place. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and this one immediately stood out, but not just for the reasons you might expect. Stick around because one of the features I'm saving for the end could be a total game changer for how you use AI content forever. You can try Get Selfie POV AI completely free from the first link below, no credit card needed. So while I walk you through what makes this tool unique and where it might fall short, you can get hands-on with it right away. Now here's what you need to know. First off, Get Selfie POV AI is designed to create hyper-realistic selfie-style videos using your script, voice, or even a clone of your voice. It's basically your personal AI actor, shot in POV format. For marketers, creators, and even small business owners, this is a big deal. POV videos are performing better than ever on TikTok Shorts and Reels, and this tool makes them insanely easy to generate, without you ever needing to get on camera. Second, the customization is shockingly deep. You can adjust everything from head tilt, eye direction, lip sync accuracy, and even emotion. It doesn't just paste your face into a video, this AI simulates behavior in a believable way. For product reviews, testimonials, UGC content, or personal branding videos, this realism matters. It's what gets people to stop scrolling. Third, speed. From script to rendered video, it took less than 90 seconds in my testing. That's wild for something this advanced. And the interface? Super intuitive, even if you've never used AI video before. Fourth, this software supports multiple characters. You can create dialogues with AI-generated personas, talking directly to the viewer. That opens up storytelling opportunities I haven't seen in similar AI tools. Fifth, there's a voice cloning option included, which a lot of companies charge extra for. Upload a sample of your voice, and the AI will replicate it in different emotional tones. The voice quality isn't 100% human, but it's easily passable for social media and explainer content. Sixth, the licensing. This is a detail most people miss. Videos generated by Get Selfie POV AI come with full commercial rights, which means you can sell the videos, use them in ads, client work, no watermark, no restrictions. Seventh, and this is the one that really sets it apart, they've integrated a call to action system inside the AI. You can add clickable buttons inside the video for links, signups, or purchases. That's not just cool. It turns your video into a sales machine. Now, is it perfect? No. The biggest current limitation is that the realism starts to fall apart in longer form videos. I'd keep it under 60 seconds per clip for best results. Also, backgrounds are fixed for now. You can't upload custom environments yet, but that feature's apparently in the pipeline. If you're into digital marketing, content creation, or you just want to stand out online, Get Selfie POV AI is worth trying while it's still free. You'll find the link below. And if you're serious about using AI to scale your brand or business, I've listed my top recommended AI software tools in the description. These are tools I've tested personally after going through literally thousands of AI apps. Check those out when you're done experimenting with Get Selfie POV AI. Catch you in the next one.